Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the key-shaped folding knife from Harbor Freight. But first, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We make tons of videos like this, and when you subscribe it helps us out by showing us that people like our videos. So let's jump into it. So this knife retails for $1.99 at Harbor Freight, and you know, it is cheaper than what you get at like Walmart or whatever. Their knife like this is like $4, but it is Harbor Freight, so you do get what you pay for. They do say that they guarantee their products defect free for up to 90 days, but I found little defects with this already. So let's take it out and get a closer look. So if you look very closely here, you can see that this end of the blade is kind of bent up, which is a problem. That's not supposed to be that way. It gets even worse if you take a look at it from this angle. Now that being said, it is a very nice little knife. It's not too sharp. We're going to test it here in a minute. But you know, down here at the end is if you watch real closely, when I squeeze, it like moves with my hand. I mean, you can't necessarily see it, but you can see it more when this is opened. If I squeeze this, you can no longer see light through there, and this is a little bit bent, so this rivet isn't put in nearly as well as these back here, and you can tell that this whole part of it widens out. But it still is, for the price, I'd say you get what you pay for. It is a pretty good little knife. So let's test it out here. I have a piece of sticky note with no sticky because I use that to cover like my dog tags or something for another video. But let's see if it'll cut. Well, it's okay. That's not okay. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, if you look at this half of the cut, it's fairly rough, but that side's clean, so I mean, it's not exactly what you'd call, let's try this again here. Okay, so the reviews say that a lot of people said it was sharp and they liked it. I mean, I like the idea of a keychain knife and all, but I don't know. It's not perfect. None of them are perfect, so you get what you pay for. Now, if you went to Walmart or something like this, Harbor Freight says it conceals the knife blade inside of the key thing. I mean, you can see that bend right there. That's just so bad. But if you fold this up, if you look at it when you fold it up, that's not exactly concealed in the key. The one from Walmart does a better job than that. This kind of just sticks out here. The one from Walmart actually folds into the key part of the knife. But you know, for the price, I'd say it's worth it. I mean, it's not super sharp. I'll take care of that though. We'll get an edge put on it, if you can see that. It is kind of a rough edge. There's like a dent right there, and it's kind of jaggedy. But we should be able to put an edge on that. So the only thing that I don't like is that this rivet isn't set well enough, and they need to do a better job of making the knife blade fold all the way into the key thing. So I totally get that this wasn't exactly a positive review, but you know, it's my honest opinion of it. I still like it. I just wish that one rivet wasn't so kind of not tight enough. For $1, you really can't beat it. It's the same as the really cheap folding knife from Walmart. For $1, if it gets wrecked or lost, it's not that big of a deal. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.